Hello everyone and welcome back to Financial Success, where we want you to become financially free. And in today's video we are going to be going over ETFs, also known as exchange traded funds. So if you like today's video, don't forget to smash the like button as well as subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Now before I go on, I want to say that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for educational purposes, and let's get on with the video. So an ETF is an exchange traded fund. Pretty much it's a basket full of stocks, and you put all your money into that basket, and your money gets divided in between several stocks, and then you can get dividends on this, as well as you can put your money into the basket and watch it grow, like eventually watching a tree grow after you plant it after several years. It will take some time to pick up, but after it starts picking up, it gets bigger and bigger and bigger. So how do you actually put your money into an ETF? Well, for me, I personally use the investment app called Raise. It is based in Australia, and I believe it is available also in America as well as Europe. So if we come to Google and we just type in Raise, here we have the Raise #1 investment app, and if we look at their small summary, it simply says Raise Invest Limited is an Australian financial technology company operating within Australia, Indonesia and Malaysia. It is listed on the Australian Securities Exchange. It allows Australians customers to micro-invest the remaining roundup of everyday purchases in the exchange traded funds. Now to actually put in your money to your Raise, all you simply do is just either on your mobile or your desktop, you just left click on it, then start investing today, invest per change automatically from everyday purchases into a diverse portfolio. And within Raise you have several portfolios you can choose from, and you can just say simply get started now to actually start investing. So if we scroll down, we got Roundups, which is pretty much if you spend $3.90 on a coffee, for example, and you have 10 cents remaining to make up $4, then you will have 10 cents invested into Raise. You can also set recurring investments, whether this can be daily, weekly, or monthly, depends when you get paid. Or you can also invest a lump sum into your account and let our technology help you grow, which is their ETFs. So Smart Portfolios Raise constructs 6 diversified portfolios, as I mentioned before, with help from Nobel Prize winning economist and father of modern portfolio theory, Dr. Harry Markowitz. Now, I personally have invested my money into the aggressive portfolio. However, you can also choose from the conservative, the moderately conservative, the moderate and moderately aggressive, and the emerald portfolio. As well as within the app, you can make your own custom portfolio. So for me, I use the aggressive portfolio, and if we say we want to put in $30 every single month, and over time, as this grows and grows and grows and grows, just by a simple $30 investment, in 20 years time this can be valued at $14,909, and you have made an additional $7,799 with just investing $30. And as you can see, if you put more money in, you will grow more money. I will show you an example of that later. As you can see, Raise has some security, which is great, unlimited deposits and withdrawals, and if you want to contact their team, they usually get back to you within 1 or 2 business days. And down here you can also see download on your iPhone, or you can download on your Android device, such as your Huawei phone or your Samsung phone or a Sony phone, etc. And if you want more information, you can check out their disclosures at the bottom. I will also leave a link for this in the description. So let's actually jump onto my portfolio and show you what I have been doing. So as you can see, this is currently my personal account. As you can see, I have $344.99 invested. And if we go back, we can see all the past information of the buys and sells and dividends, etc. And you can see I've been paid a dividends, as well as a RCB dividends, IEU dividends, IAF dividends, etc. So if we scroll back up, and as we can see, change in $1 million value. And if we go to performance details, as we can see, this is my portfolio over time. So I started about 27th of August last year, and as you can see, I am currently just investing, and I put some heavy money in, then I sell it off because I had to go get something. Then eventually from about January 4th until now, I went from pretty much zero all the way down to the 9th of August, and I have gone up to $344.99 with just investing my spare change. And as you can see up top, I have made an additional $30.04, which is a increase of 1.37%. And on the right side with my portfolio, as you can see, I have different shares. So as you can see, beta shares, SPDR, iShares S&P Asia 50, iShares S plus P Euro 350, iShares Composite Bond, Russell AUST Select Corp Bond, and percentage. And you can see the different percentages as well as how many shares you got of each. Now this is really easy to do because you can just link your bank account and all your money comes directly out your bank account, and if you sell it, you often get it within 1 to 3 business days back into your bank account if you ever want to sell it off. However, if you do sell it off, as you can see, I personally have made $30.04 back with a return of 1.37%. So if I do sell, then that means I have to also tell my accountant because I have made additional money. As you can see, I have made $13 in dividends, and the market return has been $30.14 for a total of $314.95 invested by me, but all that in total, $344.99. If you go to invest in the top left hand corner, and as you can see, your investment account is $345.50, and as you can see, I'm being paid dividends pretty much daily. And if we look at the roundups, we can actually say invested from Roundups in total, for me personally, it's been $549.61. So you can do auto roundups or you can do manual roundups depending on you. So if we click on detail, we can see all this information. However, I'm not going to go into too much detail, but however, I paid for this, which is $75.51, and an additional 49 cents was added to that. So if we bring up our calculator and we say $75.51 plus 0.49 for a total of $76. As you can see, Ray's invested my 49 cents and put it within my portfolio. So it's very cool, it's very passive. I don't have to do it myself. And if we go back, we can also make one-time investments of $10, $25, $50 or more. And this is our recurring investments. You can set goals as well as a recurring INV amount, and you can also do raise for your kids if you want to save for your kids college or when they're 18 or something like that. Also, you can put in your super. Also, you can connect your super to raise, and a super is similar to a 401k, so it's pretty much a retirement account in America. And as you can see, you can change your portfolio over time. So if we click on portfolio, and as you can see, I am on the aggressive portfolio. As you can see, you can change it from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and technically 8 with a custom feature there. So let's say, for example, I want to invest $1,000 every single month, and I am 23 years old currently. So let's say I invest $1,000 here. Then as you can see, it's monthly, and over time, as time builds on, if everything just stays the same, my predictions by the time I am 40 years old is I can have $371,000 if I invest $1,000 every single month by the time I am 40. So that's just under 20 years. And if we go even longer, it's gone up to 517,000. So if I earn more money in the future, I will invest more money in the future. So let's say, for example, we invest $2,000 every single month, right? And say enter. And as you can see, the graph just changed. And if we use the same metrics of 40 years old, as you can see, I can have $741,000. And if we invest $3,000 every single month, let's see what this looks like. And going all the way to 40 years old, where is it? There it is. And that can be a value of 1.1 million. And if I want to get to my goal of $10,000 every single month, and I invest half of that into Raise, for example, and by the time I am 40 years old, this can be a value of $1.85 million, which would be great for a beautiful apartment, which I want. And as you can see, this is my pie chart of how everything is diversified, as well as all the ETFs that I am investing in. And depends on which portfolio you choose, depends on where your money goes, and depends on how your money grows. It depends on your risk tolerance. As you can see, I am pretty risky as using the aggressive portfolio. When using the conservative portfolio is much more safer. However, I would like to use the aggressive portfolio for what I want. Depending on what you want, it may be different. So if you want to actually check out Raise investments for yourself, if you want to start putting your money into an ETF and watch your money grow for you, referral code, which is TNHBB7, that would be much appreciated, as you get a bonus $5 and I get a bonus $5, which is great for both of us. It's a win-win situation. I will be leaving this in the description as well as in a pinned comment below. But other than that, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video about ETFs and exchange traded funds. I hope you guys learned something, and if you put your money into an ETF, you can watch your money grow over time. So your $1,000 can definitely turn into $2,000. Just depends how you play it. And other than that, we will see you guys in the next video. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe to the channel as well as smash like on this video if you have not already, and remember to check out another video on screen. This is Financial Success, wishing you to become financially free, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.